Welcome. On this video, I'm going to paint the Vecna bust. Okay, as you can see here on the photo, this is a blue screen. Okay, a blue filter, as you can see. So we got three ways to paint this: the real one, the blue one, and the red. And this figure, it's from TV series, The Stranger Thing. Okay, it's on the last season, and this is very nice, and you are going to see the bust, and you are going to like it. Now you can see this is the red one, and this is one of the finish. You are, if you like it or not. So but I'm going to the blue, okay, on this figure, and I don't like too much of the red, so I go on the blue. So now on this picture you can see the actor John Campbell putting the mask and all the things in latex, and then they used the airbrush to make some highlights on these and some colors. So okay, every process on this, it's complicated. And on this picture, it's relaxing, okay, and it's drinking some maybe some food, some drink, okay, by a straw, okay, because it's difficult to work on all of these things. And on this one, you can see working the last details for filming. And of course, for me, the most important part here, it's the colors you see. It's because I normally say that when you are painting a monster, a beast, a zombie, like kind of this work, it's very important to use the flesh colors. Okay, the flesh, it's very important. It's because it's the nature of this one. Okay, flesh colors. And on this last picture I'm going to show you, you can see the actor seeing in the mirror. Okay, it's to see it's all okay or not, and it's a good photo reference because of the back. Okay, and you can see so many colors. It's the flesh ones, the grays, and of course the bloodish colors they have. So this is the, when we are painting this, you got to have a photo reference, and of course the flash. I always say the flash is very important, and you can see or not see, you got here some violet, okay, purple, what do you want to say, washes on this pink, on the AK inks, and you are going to understand on all the process, okay. But I will show you the bust right now, and you guys can see the bust, right? Hello, here it is, the figure I'm going to paint. Okay, this is from X3D. It's an awesome sculptor, and he makes this kind of figures and busts for printers of resin and FDM. Okay, so this is really nice. I have some spots to clean, so I'm going to show you how to clean the resin part. As you can see, I made these holes for the bust to be hollow, and that way it's more cheaper than when we made this completely, or we made casting. Okay, so this is a 3D one, and as you can see, the base have the same thing too. So this I got here on my store in the enderfactory.com. If you want, guys, this is 25 euros, this one, right? So guys, if you want to paint too, so just give me a call or a message for my Facebook, for my store, or even here on the Patreon, and there is no problem. So these figures I'm going to paint all with the AK paints, right? All the things I'm going to use, it's paints and inks from AK. But on the end, let me grab some of this. So at the end I'm going to use some oils from Abteilung, and this oil here, it's really nice, it's really fantastic. The pigment on this, it's really good, and for that I use two kind of thinners. Okay, I use the normal thinner, it's odorless, so this is don't have any smells, it works fantastic. And this one too, it's the fast dry thinner. When you want to work more quickly and the oils to dry, if the oils you put, it's not very thick, okay, it's thin, so it's dry completely nicely and you can work more. And for the highlights, some of these highlights, it's going to be very bright, very glossy, like kind of water, okay, some slime, okay. For the slime, I'm going to use the AK Ceramic Super Gloss. It's a new product AK launched on the market 2 months ago, 1 month ago, I think. And normally I use the gloss, but the gloss you need to put a lot, and normally you don't have that kind of bright you want. This is the acrylic, and sometimes I use the glossy varnish from Real Colors. You have more brightness, but this one is super awesome. It's for the eyes, it's really good. So you guys going to see me using this. So here it is, the bust. It's really good, and it's going to have lots and lots of work on this. So I catch you up on the videos of the buildings. So this is what I'm going to do on this month about the busts here on my Patreon channel. Okay, so bye guys, and I catch you up.